just to show you some examples. So here we have two pictures. I wish I knew where these pictures came from. These are like so hysterically cheesy. Two pictures of a toy giraffe. You'll notice that a couple of things. First of all, obviously the orientation has changed a lot, but also the head has been rotated, right? So here it's on the side, and here he's facing you, and so things have shifted a bit. The feet are a little different. Of course, the entire object has rotated, and the intensity has changed. So there's been quite a bit of change done to the image. So here we go. We compute our derivatives, we compute our moment matrices, we compute our R functions, we plot them in MATLAB using an interesting pseudo-color color map, and you see this beautiful picture. And that's R everywhere, and the next thing you have to do is threshold that. So here are all the points that R is above some particular threshold. Then we do that trick of the non-maximal suppression, right? So we only keep points that are locally higher value than anybody else. And this is probably pretty hard to see. Megan helped a little bit by putting this line down the middle. So there's this constellation of points on the left and the right. You know, if I look at that, I can't really tell it's a giraffe. But what I can do is I can show you those red points on the actual giraffe itself. It is a giraffe, right? Yeah, it's kind of a weird giraffe. Somebody's fan. It's like a creepy giraffe. It's like always smiling. Anyway, all right, and here you can notice that we've found a bunch of points repeatedly. So for example, on his nose, on the right nostril there, there's a point right there. Well, guess what? We found the same point right there. So if I wanted to see how the head was changing, right? Points on the ears are there, okay? Points on the back of this spot here are there. Points on the bottom are there. Now, of course, all these points, they're not there. Well, of course not. There's a specular reflection in the left image that's not in the right. That's okay. Harris couldn't possibly know about that. The point is, that we reliably found many of the same points. And if you remember what we were talking about for doing this interest point or key point detector, we need a reliability and a precision. We have to find the same points and find them in the same location on the scene or in the scene. And that was what would make a good feature.